قال قائل منهم إني كان لي قرين.
One of them will say, I had a companion in the world,
يقول أئنك لمن المصدقين.
who used to say, Are you also one of those who confirm the truth of life after death?
أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمدينون.
After we are dead and have become all dust and bones, shall we still be requited?
قال هل أنتم مطلعون.
He will say, Do you wish to know where he is now?
فاطلع فرآه في سواء الجحيم.
Then he will look downwards and will see him in the depths of hell.
قال تالله إن كدت لتردين.
He will say to him, By Allah, you almost ruined me.
ولولا نعمة ربي لكنت من المحضرين.
But for Allah's favor, I should be one of those who have been mustered here.
أفما نحن بميتين.
So are we not going to die?
إلا موتتنا الأولى وما نحن بمعذبين.
Except for our first death, and shall we suffer no chastisement?
إن هذا لهو الفوز العظيم.
Surely this is the supreme triumph.
لمثل هذا فليعمل العاملون.
For the like of it should the workers work.
أذلك خير نزلا أم شجرة الزقوم.
Is this a better hospitality or the tree of al-zaqqum?
إنا جعلناها فتنة للظالمين.
We've made this tree a trial for the wrongdoers.
إنها شجرة تخرج في أصل الجحيم.
It is a tree that grows in the nethermost part of hell.
طلعها كأنه رؤوس الشياطين.
Its spades are like the heads of Satans.
فإنهم لآكلون منها فمالئون منها البطون.
The people of hell will surely eat of it, filling their bellies with it.
ثم إن لهم عليها لشوبا من حميم.
Then on top of it, they will have a brew of boiling water.
ثم إن مرجعهم لإلى الجحيم.
Then their return will be to the same blazing hell.
إنهم ألفوا آباءهم ضالين.
These are the ones who found their fathers steeped in error.
فهم على آثارهم يهرعون.
And they are running in their footsteps.
ولقد ضل قبلهم أكثر الأولين.
Before them, a multitude of people of olden times had erred.
ولقد أرسلنا فيهم منذرين.
And we had sent among them messengers to warn them.
فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المنذرين.
Observe then what was the end of those that had been warned.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
Except for the chosen servants of Allah.
ولقد نادانا نوح فلنعم المجيبون.
Noah had called upon us earlier. See how excellent we were in answering him.
ونجيناه وأهله من الكرب العظيم.
We delivered him and his household from the great calamity.
وجعلنا ذريته هم الباقين.
And made his offspring the only ones to survive.
وتركنا عليه في الآخرين.
And we established for him a good name among posterity.
سلام على نوح في العالمين.
Peace be upon Noah among all the nations.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Thus do we reward all those who do good.
إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين.
Surely he was one of our truly believing servants.
ثم أغرقنا الآخرين.
Thereafter we caused the others to be drowned.
وإن من شيعته لإبراهيم.
Abraham was on the self-same way as Noah.
إذ جاء ربه بقلب سليم.
When he came to his Lord with a pure heart.
إذ قال لأبيه وقومه ماذا تعبدون.
And said to his father and his people, whom do you worship?
أئفكا آلهة دون الله تريدون.
Is it false deities that you want to serve rather than Allah?
فما ظنكم برب العالمين.
What do you think of the Lord of the whole universe?
فنظر نظرة في النجوم.
Then he looked carefully at the stars.
فقال إني سقيم.
And said, I am sick.
فتولوا عنه مدبرين.
So turning their backs, they went away from him.
فراغ إلى آلهتهم فقال ألا تأكلون.
Then he went quietly to the temple of the deities and said, What is the matter with you? Why do you not eat?
ما لكم لا تنطقون.
What is the matter with you? Why do you not speak?
فراغ عليهم ضربا باليمين.
Then he turned upon them, striking them with his right hand.
فأقبلوا إليه يزفون.
Whereupon people came to him running.
قال أتعبدون ما تنحتون.
Abraham said to them, Do you worship what you yourselves have carved with your own hands?
والله خلقكم وما تعملون.
While it is Allah who has created you and all that you make.
قالوا ابنوا له بنيانا فألقوه في الجحيم.
They spoke among themselves, Build him a pyre and then throw him into the furnace.
فأرادوا به كيدا فجعلناهم الأسفلين.
They had contrived an evil plan against him, but we abased them all.
وقال إني ذاهب إلى ربي سيهدين.
Abraham said, I'm going to my Lord, he will guide me.
رب هب لي من الصالحين.
Lord, grant me a righteous son.